everybody, it's Angela from Angela's Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to be doing a very easy dish. I'm going to be boiling Irish potato and egg sauce. In there are my eggs that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using some red onion as well for this recipe, garlic, ginger and some hot pepper. And I'm going to be using spring onion, sliced bell pepper, red and green bell pepper, some tomato, stock cube, curry powder and salt to taste. And I'm using olive oil for this recipe. And I'm going to be using some black pepper as well. And I have a handful of parsley, fresh herb for this recipe. And I have white onion as well. So now I'm going to start by boiling my potatoes. Just pour the potato in pan, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. Not too much water, don't get your potato too soft and matchy. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it and just put it on the stove, get it soft, cook till it's soft. So now I'm gonna start by frying my veggies. So I'm going to be using butter as well. I didn't tell you that. So I'm going to be using a little bit of butter. So now I added the butter to my hot pan. I'm going to be adding olive oil to it. You don't have to use olive oil, you can use any oil of your choice. Sunflower oil, vegetable oil, doesn't matter, any oil. You don't have to use butter as well. Butter is completely optional. So now I'm adding my onion. That's the red onions and that's the white onion. I enjoy cooking with a lot of onions. I really love onions. That's aroma of onion and garlic and ginger together, oh my god, it's so nice. And that's the ginger and garlic and the little bit of pepper I just added to it. I stir together, let it fry a little bit together. Now I'm adding the sliced tomatoes to it. This is a very easy dish. It's very easy to prepare. Don't have to stay a long time in the kitchen. So I'm going to close the pan to let it cook for maybe 2 minutes. You can see my stew. My veggies is cooking really good. Now I'm going to add the bell pepper to it, red and green bell pepper. That's the stock cube, the curry powder and salt. Just stir together. Smell is so lekker. I'm adding my spring onion. See, it's getting more colors. More colors, beautiful. So as that is cooking, I'm just going to beat my egg. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, Angela's Easy Cooking, please subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Like our page, help me build my YouTube channel and my page. Thank you so much for doing so. And don't forget to press the notification bell. And if you've already subscribed, I just want to appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I'm adding black pepper to it. Thank you, thank you, thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate all the likes, all the love, all the comments. It's so nice. Thank you very much. God bless you all. And keep it rolling. Now I'm gonna add my egg to it. It's a very easy dish, very simple. And I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. So now I'm gonna let the egg cook, and as that is busy, my potato is already cooked. It's already. The potato is ready. Now I'm slicing my parsley. You can see my sauce is completely ready. I added the parsley to it already. So the egg sauce is ready. The potato is ready. So now it's eating time. So let's do some eating. And thank you for watching, for joining me. Thank you so much. You can see the look of the food. It looks so yummy, it looks so nice, and very soft potatoes. With this recipe, with this sauce, you can eat rice if you like. You can eat yam as well, dodo.